this term in photography, and I guess you could put it in cinematography as well. It's called the rule of thirds. And that means, I know on your cameras, if you look on your iPhone, you can put a grid on your phone where you have 2 lines going down like this and you have a couple lines going across. And you always want to have something in the middle or on those 2 lines. You don't want something on the outside. So when I'm talking to you guys, I shouldn't be here talking to you guys because it leaves an open area here. I shouldn't be here, same thing. So looking on my camera right now, I see that the 2 lines are here and here, and I'm kind of right in the middle. And this door is on this line, and this little post here is on the other line. I guess I'm just kind of happy that this area in my house right here kind of doesn't break that rule of thirds, which is pretty important when it comes to videos and stuff like that. Next time you watch someone's video from a YouTuber or something like this, watch how they framed everything, because I think this is the first time I've actually applied that rule to something. And I'll start the vlog here most days when I can, because for today, for example, just finished training and I'm here. Okay, on that note, good morning everyone. I hope everyone's doing great today. I'm feeling great, first training's finished, and you won't believe it, the sun is actually out today, so that means I gotta head out. Goodness, did you guys see that beautiful weather on the way here? I can't even believe this is Angers. Wow. It's actually too hot. It's actually too hot for my jacket. Man, this weather, if you guys have been watching the vlog for a while, you know this is not typical weather here. I'm like totally shocked. But on to my mission. Place is like a lot bigger than but what I'm looking for is I think it's here, a yoga mat. Whoa, I had no idea they had so many different ones to choose from. I never like to go for the cheapest, always the second cheapest. Yeah, so I think this will definitely do the job. Yeah, thinking of starting yoga. Not sure if I'm too big for it. Definitely gonna try it out. Silva, if you're watching, thank you. I've had it suggested to me a couple of times by certain people that I should definitely try it. It's good for the body, for the mind, and yeah, so I think I'm gonna try it today. I've had like 3 or 4 people tell me in the last couple of weeks, so I think it's a good time to start. Got the yoga mat, everything's good, but I'm actually, where I had to go to get that stuff, I'm actually in a place called Brizac. It's like the town actually just over from where I live. And it looks like that whole flooding part, I was just driving and I was like, whoa, it looks so green and so nice. But actually, I think a lot of this area is totally flooded as well. I don't know what's going on with the water here. I've had people in Paris tell me that the river there is flooded as well. But on a good note, everything looks so like beautiful and green here. I kind of just had to stop and pull over the car and have a look. Like, the water definitely is not supposed to come up this high. It's like a driveway right here, but it leads straight to this water, and it's just like the trees, everything is under there. But at the same time, this whole area right here is really, really beautiful. Huh? As you guys can see, it's like super beautiful here and looks really nice, but at the same time it's really crazy. And there's like a couple that's over here that was just talking to me, saying that the water is usually never like this. Normally you should be able to walk all the way down there, but yeah, definitely can't do that now. Okay, so training just finished. You know, before training, I was super motivated to do yoga. Like, yeah, I'll do it after training. But now I'm feeling a little bit non-motivated, but that's okay. Taking a little bit of a pause instead of doing it directly after training. Stopping in the store, get something to drink, relax while driving home, and then yoga time. Gotta like close my shades to do yoga because I don't want people just staring at me like, what's this big guy doing? I'm super excited to do it. Got my yoga mat. That's what's holding up this little mini tripod thing for my camera. A little bit excited for this, but we'll see how it goes. I'll jump in the middle of it and let you guys know how everything's going. It should only be like an hour and something long, so yeah, here we go. Oh, and using my phone as a backlight. Okay. There's about 55 minutes left. We just got the first water break. Man, you all who do yoga, Warrior 1, Warrior 2, Warrior 3, chair pose. Wow. Okay, so it is about almost 11:30 at night. I finished yoga, feeling great. Finished some great conversations with some people I know who do yoga, just to kind of not brag to them, but feel excited and have them feel excited for me because they know how good it feels and they've been telling me to do it. Felt really good doing it. I felt super relaxed after it and got that support I needed from my friends who do it. That's really awesome. Yeah, definitely gonna do it again. But on that note, I'm actually back in the center right now. I've been trying to cook at home, but not going so well. Heading now to get some food here in the center, and I have an early train tomorrow, so like I say, I'll end the vlog here telling you guys thank you so much for watching. For all you guys who are thinking about doing yoga or think you're too big for it, I definitely say no one's too big to do yoga. Officially, if I can do yoga, I'm pretty sure everyone out there can do it. So don't be scared to try something new. I'm heading to get some food. I'll talk to you guys later, and everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.